Hi, let's talk again about the preparation for the enforcement of the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act. I would like to talk about one topic about the definition of the energy management system. What does it mean to have the energy management system in the organization? Because personally, I'm still receiving some kind of queries, about this energy management system. Among the queries that I received, basically about asking me, Encik Zaini, do we need to invest? How much we need to invest for us to have the energy management system? And is my current energy management system has already sufficient? Do I need to connect all my equipment into the energy management system? So when I receive such queries, means that I can sense that those who ask me such questions, they don't really understand the meaning of having the energy management system. So this is quite to me is quite worrying me, because if especially energy managers, if they do not understand the definition of a proper energy management system, I think energy consumers may have some issues when it comes to understanding what exactly required by the Act, the Act, because in the Act, in Section 5, there is a requirement. The moment the consumer appointed the registered energy manager, then after that, they expect the registered energy manager is supposed to lead in the development and implementation of the energy management system at their organizations. And the task, one of the function and duties of the registered energy manager will be to ensure and monitor the implementation of the energy management system at that organization. So if the understanding is not very clear, so this will be an issue. That's why this video I would like to explain a bit. Not so much on teaching but to share. Energy management system is the management system to manage your energy resources at your organizations. It is not the building management system. It is not the building control system. It is not the building automation system. It is not also even the smart energy monitoring system or smart energy monitoring and control system. This so-called system, so-called BCS, BMS, BAS or smart system, they are the tools used in energy management. It's just a tools, a technology used for energy management. The purpose basically to monitor data, collect data, do some analysis, even do some kind of controls. So these are tools used in energy management, but it is not the energy management system. Energy management system, basically defined by the Act and even by ISO 5001, defined by EECA or ISO 5001. Basically is something that is a element, element covering certain element. For example, if you look at the ISO 5001, covering from the leadership, covering the scope of the system, the policy, role of management, and then energy management committee, and then followed by the planning, planning of the system, where they need to understand the consumption trend, setting the target, identify the opportunity for improvement, establish the indicator for any performance indicator, energy baseline, and then followed by the system support, for example, to requirement for the resources, competence, awareness, training, and also that documentation and operation of the system, covering the operational control of the significant energy users, and then design and procurement that must consider energy performance, and then followed by the performance evaluation, energy performance evaluation, system compliance, and then after that the internal audit, management review, and then the continuous improvement. So it is a system to manage your energy resources at your organization. It is not a tool or some kind of technology or devices Okay, all these devices or technologies being used is a tool for to make the management easier. Okay, so these tools normally serve multiple purpose, not just for energy management. Okay, for data collection and so on. So it is not a system. So energy management system, basically, this is just like, you have the system to manage your quality. You have the quality management system. If you manage your safety and health, you have the safety and health management system. Okay, and then occupational safety, and you have to manage your environment. You have the environmental management system, and all these system, they have their own reference documents. For example, for the safety, you have the ISO 45001. Okay, for the safety. For the environment, you have the 14001. Okay, environmental management system, and for the quality, you have the 9001. So for energy, globally, we are referring to the ISO 50001 2018 version as a reference about the system. So this standard outlines all the system requirement. Okay, so that's basically energy management system. It is not the device and so on. So that's why we're talking about investment and all that. So for energy management system, you need to have a big investment. Okay, what you need to have, the person that you can train to develop and implement the system at your organizations. Okay, investment will come according to the need to be justified when it comes to the system development and implementation. So again, BCS, BMS, okay, BAS, smart monitoring system and core control system, it is not energy management system. They are tools used in the energy management. Okay, so I hope this somehow gives some kind of clarity to those who are still not have the understanding about what exactly the Energy Efficiency and Consumption Act require in the section 5. Okay, where affected energy consumers who are using more than 21,600 gigajoule per year thermal and electrical energy, they need to develop and implement energy management system, and this energy management system must be reported on yearly basis in the energy efficiency and consumption report to be submitted to the Energy Commission. So I hope this one somehow can help some, okay, to understand what is exactly energy management system, or the short form E and small letter, M capital letter, and S, ENMS. Energy management system. Okay, until the next video. Okay, manage energy efficiently.